Alright everybody, welcome back to another episode of Bogan Engineering. And today, we have a package. Hang tight, let's unpack this and find out what we got. Yes! Alright everyone, so first of all, inventory time. This right here is the entire set of things that we needed. So this right here is the full dash crash pad for the Mazda MX5. That is spectacular. So you can see here we've got the airbag, the whole center console section, and the driver's side. And you can see here our donor car with those rails that we needed, so perfectly intact. And a brand new bottom bar for that bottom apron. So, what else did we get? Let's go over here. We also got this. Now this doesn't look like much, but this is $400 worth of underside apron for the MX5. One of these from the dealership will set you back $300 for one section, $200 for another, and another $150 for this one. And do you know why I know that? Because I had to pay it for the other side. Seems like everyone in Australia likes having an accident on the other side of the car. Okay. So what have we got here? This, which I'm not going to open quite yet, is the sensor suite for all of the crash sensors. So that front left, front right, front or driver side right, passenger side left. So it looks all the way around the car. We've also got a new horn and a new airbag, more importantly, tucked away inside here. And we have the elusive clock spring. This is a super important part of replacing the airbag in this car. And without it, I'd be in a lot of trouble. So, check-in time. What have we managed to get? So, on our list we had driver's side airbag, passenger's side airbag, we had clock spring, we had front right hand guard, front left hand guard, whole brand new Rio and foam, under apron. Okay. Check, 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 check. Things that weren't even on our list. The dash and crash pad. Whew, that is amazing. I did not expect to get that. Everyone that I had spoken to previously quoted me for just the airbag. They weren't even going to give me that apron. Now, shout out, massive, massive shout out goes to the guys at Formaz here in Australia. They are a auto parts company and they are the ones who sent me these parts. They are not sponsoring me, I paid for these parts, but I want to call them out because they had amazing service. Andrew answered all of my questions. He went hunting for my parts. He asked me the right questions to make sure I got what I needed from my car. So, you know what guys, if you're in Australia, if you're looking for parts, check out Formaz because they are amazing and they are willing to ship Australia-wide, and I might add, they will ship international. So if you're Southeast Asia or even beyond, if you're looking for a hard to find part, check out Formaz. Those guys are spectacular. So, what's next on our hit list? So, what we don't have right now is a front bumper, for starters. Second of all, if you notice on the last video, the right hand side of the car, that bottom post sticking out of the bottom that snapped clear off, we're going to get another one of those to bolt on. We're also missing a bracket that's going to hold on that crash sensor so we can actually get the new crash sensors all mounted up. And that's it. That is a lot less damage than we thought. You know, it's arrived on my doorstep. I gotta say, I'm pretty happy. So, keep an eye out in this space over the next couple of days. We're going to be posting updates on all the new parts we're purchasing, we found, or we haven't found for that matter, and we'll get back to you. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next week. Catch ya! Right, so thanks for tuning in today. I'm Matt, this has been Bogan Engineering, and if you really like what we're doing, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and if you're really keen to help support us through this build, hit up our Patreon. The links are all in the description below. Have a good one. Peace out.